also pave the way for the adoption of sustainable energy sources, contributing to environmental conservation and reducing our carbon footprint. Water resources and water resource management is another critical area where investment in infrastructure is paramount. Access to clean water and sanitation services is a fundamental human right. And by ensuring reliable water supply systems, we can improve public health, drive agricultural productivity, and support industrial growth. Furthermore, the enhancement of communication facilities and digital infrastructure is also essential in today's interconnected world.